Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of HubSpot.com and there is a blog that we have to read about how to do market research, a guide and template. Discover the different types of market research, how to conduct your own market research, and use a free template to help you along the way. Today's consumers have a lot of power. They can research your product or services and make purchases decisions entirely on their own. Moreover, rather than talking to one of your sales reps, they are more likely to ask for referrals from members of their networks and read online reviews. With this in mind, have you adapted your marketing strategy to complement the way today's consumers research, shop, and buy? To do just that, to do just that, you must have a deep understanding of who your buyers are, your specific market, and what influences the purchase decisions and behavior. Your target audience members. Enter market research. Whether you are new to market research, this guide will provide you with a blueprint for conducting a thorough study of your market, target audience, competition, and more. What is market research? Market research is the process of gathering information about your target market and customers to verify the success of a new product, help your team iterate on existing product, or understand brand perception to ensure your team is effective communicating your company's value effectively. Market research can answer various questions about the state of an industry, but it's hardly a crystal ball that marketers can rely on for on their customers. Market researchers investigate several areas of the market, and it can take weeks or even months to paint an accurate picture of the business landscape. However, researching just one of those areas can make you more intuitive to who your buyers are and how to deliver value that no other business is offering them right now. Certainly, you can make sound judgment calls based on your experience in the industry and your existing customers. However, keep in mind that market research offers benefits beyond those strategies. There are two things to consider: your competitors, who also have experienced individuals in the industry and a customer base. It's very possible that your immediate resources are in many ways equal to those of your competitors' immediate resources. Seeking a larger sample size for answers can provide a better edge. Your customer didn't represent the attitudes of an entire market. They represent the attitudes of the part of the current market that is already down to your brand. The market research service The market research services market is growing rapidly, which signifies a strong interest in market research as we enter 2023. The market is expected to grow from roughly $75 billion in 2021 to $90.979 billion in 2025 at a compound annual growth rate of 5%. Why do research? Why do market research? Market research allows you to meet your buyer where they are. As our world, both digital and analog, becomes louder and demands more and more of our attention, this provides invaluable. By understanding your buyer's problems, pain, and points, and desired solutions, you can aptly craft your product or service to naturally appeal to them. Once you are ready to expand your business, you can also use market research to help you create a market development strategy. Market research also provides insights into a wide variety of things that impact your bottom line, including where your target audience and current customers conduct their product or service research, which of your competitors your target audience looks to for information, options, or purchases, what's trending in your industry and in the eyes of your buyer, who makes up your market and what their challenges are, what influences purchases and conversations among your target audience, consumer attitudes about a particular topic, pain, product, or brand, whether there is a demand for the business initiatives you are investing in, unaddressed or undeserved customer needs that can be flipped into selling opportunity, attitudes about pricing for a particular product or service. Ultimately, market research allows you to get information from a larger sample size of your audience, eliminating bias and assumptions so that you can get to the heart of consumer attitude. As a result, you can make better business decisions from knowing the bigger picture. As you begin owning in on your market research, you are likely to hear about primary and secondary market research. The easiest way to think about primary and secondary research is to envision two umbrellas sitting beneath market research, for one for primary market research, one for secondary market research. So this is all. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video. Before that, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.